Hi, my name is Annette Levy, and this is a simulated lesson for Touro College class EDSE 635. In this simulated lesson, I specifically show how to help a student named Jillian. She is a 6-year-old first grade student, and she has some difficulties with her expressive language skills. In this lesson, I explained to students the concept of center time and how we could work together collaboratively in a small group setting. So I set up a bunch of centers in my classroom, like the Writing Center, Reading Center, Art Center, and Dramatic Play Center, in which students can explore independently with their peers each center and just have some fun with some engaging tasks. While I was circulating around the room, because my job as a teacher is to act as a facilitator for the students, and I was checking in with groups, I noticed that Jillian had some difficulty sharing with another student named Maya. So the simulated lesson would be how I would act as the facilitator to help both children resolve the problem. Jillian, Maya, I see you girls are having some difficulties here with the princess wand. I know, you guys seem a little upset, but guess what? There's so much we can do to help figure out this problem. Do you guys remember when we read our Learn to Share book by the Berenstain Bears? And what happened with Brother and Sister Bear and how they were feeling? Jillian, how were they feeling? Yeah, let's look on our word wall. Let's look on our word wall and let's see. Can you point for Miss Levy? And can you show me how Sister Bear was feeling? And how Brother Bear was feeling? Right, Brother Bear was feeling sad. Absolutely. And that's how Maya feels. Your friend feels like that right now because you grabbed the princess wand out of her hands. You know what? I have a good idea. Do you remember in our rules chart where Miss Levy said that we need to share with our friends and we could take turns, just like how Brother and Sister Bear did, right? In our book, when Miss Levy read it out loud to you guys, they shared their toys. They had 5 minutes each, and that made both of them feel better. So instead of grabbing it out of Maya's hand, Jillian, why don't we look at our prompt cards and we can see how we can solve this problem. Let's see. Can you tell Maya, look, here's your prompt card, Jillian, and I want you to read this with Miss Levy, okay? I'm going to help you so that you can understand it. Can share. Can you turn to Maya and can you tell her I can share the way Miss Levy read it with you too? Okay, let's see. I can share. So Maya, Jillian's telling you that she wants to share, that she can share. But now we have to ask her, okay? So let's see. Oh, here's our other prompt card. Let's see. This one says, so Jillian, let's see. How can we ask Maya? Let's read it together. Maybe this will help us. Can I use the... And Miss Levy drew a picture. Do you remember this picture from our word wall? Let's go back to our word wall and see if that picture is there. I know that's what you want. You have it in your hand, but we need to use our words, okay? Let's go back to our word wall here. It's our dramatic play word wall. Let's see. Yep, that's it. You have it in your hand, and look, it's here in our word wall too. The word is wand. We want to use the princess wand. Can you say it with me? Princess wand. Excellent. Okay, let's go back to our prompt card. So now we can ask Maya. Here we go. Can I use excellent, the wand. There it is. Remember we have it here? Perfect. So I want you to turn to Maya now and say the same question to her, okay? So she can hear you. Excellent. Maya, can she use the wand now? See, it's so nice that we share with friends. I'm so glad that you guys understood. So Jillian's going to have it for 5 minutes, okay, Jillian? And then when the timer's done, we'll switch. And then Maya, you could have a chance then after, okay? Great job, girls. So what I would do after I resolved this issue with my students, I would then pull up conference notes that I have on my iPad, and I would document any behavior issues that happened, as well as what the issue was in itself, that the two children had difficulty sharing with one another. Then throughout the academic year, I would take my conference notes and look and see if Jillian made any further progressions with her expressive communication skills. I purposely created this lesson with her in mind because it aligned to the Common Core State Standards as well as the EDTPA handbook. And one of the rubrics I used was for expressive communication. And it helped Jillian because she was able to take words from the word wall and use them to express herself and to formulate questions. So not only did it help her in building her expressive communication skills, but at the same time, it helped with her behavioral problems because they do coincide with one another.